Harmony of the Angels using doubling to get the notes to be more secure. I'm using a website called playfastnotes.com, and it has the doubling. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to select the section, and I'm deciding to select the second section. And there it is. All right, now I'm going to find the doubling pattern, and there it is. And I want to start with that rhythm, which if you listen to it is ba 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 ba. Here we go. 2, ready, go. That sounded good. So now I'm going to change it to the other rhythm that I wanted, the other doubling, which was this one. Ba, 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 ba. 1, 2, 3, play. I'm going to stop that. Now I want to play it at the tempo. So now I see it's at 80, but we can make that an eighth note. Actually, okay, so we could change it again to triplets. Now that's too fast. So instead I'm going to move it to, believe it or not, 160, because I want to be at the double tempo. And I'm going to put it back onto that quarter note. Sure. That's going to be the eighth note, because that's where we worked it up to. 1, 2, 3, ready, set, go. So by doubling it, I first did this doubling, and then I moved to this doubling, and then I brought it back to triplets, but I knew that the eighth notes were at 160, and so we did it at the double tempo. That's not important, just so you did it that way. The next step I would do is I would now take this and I would do a tempo ladder. So let's see. My goal is to get this much faster. So let's go to, let's make the top about 70. It's probably too much. Let's go to, yeah, let's go to 70 and let's see how that feels. Now the way I can do this is I want to first just listen and see if I can do it at that tempo, right? Let's go here. Da 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 da. That's good. And you notice I'm going to climb it by 5. I could also do it by 10. I could also make my own. And it says I have to clean the reps 5 times. That seems like a lot. I wonder if I could change that. Yeah, I'm going to leave it that way. So cancel this. All right, I can always just jump ahead. Okay. Da, 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 da. So now I'm going to play it at the tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stop right there. I did a clean, so notice it says green on top, and I could do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that was clean. I can do it again. Now, if I miss, watch what happens. I lose it all. All right, but I don't want to do that for now. I can also just, I have on a special part where I have to sit quiet for a minute. That's okay. It's kind of a cool thing. All right, I'm going to turn those off so that doesn't happen again. Where are they? Oh, there they are. Somewhere in here. Ah, it's right there. Okay, we'll go back. All right, so let's say I've done them all. Notice now I can go up to 55. This is nice because it keeps an account of where I am. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. Like that, so I go clean, etc. And you want to set a goal. So I highly recommend this website. I also recommend doing the doubling and also doing a metronome workup.